Science experiment.
Science experiment.
Take one.
Take one.
With rocks.
With rocks. It holded none of the water. Hold most.
Ready, go.
Science experiment.
Take two.
With sand.
Oh, wait. Let it. You're gonna make it spill. Stop it! Stop!
No.
Stop!
The water's pouring in there.
Okay, good.
Some of the water keeps, some of it doesn't. That's what the experiment's about. Look! None of it's coming out. That's okay.
Action.
Science experiment. Take 3. Potting soil.
There you go. Watch what you're doing.
Slowly pour it in. Slow.
It's good.
Did you fill it up? The cup up. Does the cup have a lot of water in it?
Yeah. Come here.
The sand had the most, the rocks had the second most, and the potting soil had the last most. I'm done.
Andrew, what happened with the water when it was poured through the sand?
It didn't get that much. It got the water went straight through the sand.
And it had the most water in the cup?
Yeah, that's what I asked.
Andrew, what happened when you poured the water over the rocks?
Some of it got blocked, and most of it didn't.
So it had the second most water in it, in the cup? Andrew, what happened when you poured the water over the potting soil?
It didn't get that much, so it almost got none of it in.
Wasn't almost none of it, but